In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Webflow website for mobile 2026. Full tutorial. Start by opening your project in the Webflow designer. We'll be using Webflow's built-in device views to make precise, responsive adjustments. Rather than manually resizing your browser or relying only on preview, use the device icons at the top of the designer. These views are mapped to Webflow's responsive breakpoints and give you a clear, reliable picture of how your layout behaves. Remember, styles in Webflow cascade downward. Changes you make on desktop flow to smaller breakpoints unless you override them there. Edits made on tablet or mobile won't affect larger screens. Switch to the tablet view. Scan your layout from top to bottom. Check headings, body text, and buttons to ensure they're readable at arm's length. If type feels cramped, slightly increase font sizes or line height and add breathing room by adjusting margins and padding. Look at multi-column sections and grids. On tablet, 2 columns often work best, while 3 or 4 may need to collapse. Ensure images don't overflow, set them to scale within their containers, and verify that the navigation is comfortable to use with links that are easy to tap. If your hero section feels tall, tighten spacing while keeping key content above the fold. Move into the mobile landscape view. Because the screen is wider but shorter, watch for elements that stretch awkwardly or feel compressed vertically. Ensure buttons and interactive elements have generous tap targets and clear labels. If your site uses a hamburger menu, confirm the icon is visible and that the menu content is legible when opened. Check cards, galleries, and icon text pairs. They may need to simplify to a single row or stack in a way that keeps content hierarchy clear. Keep typography consistent and avoid long line lengths that make reading difficult. Then switch to the mobile portrait view. This is where most visitors will experience your site, so aim for a clean single column flow. Stack sections logically, keep headlines concise, and ensure primary calls to action are easy to spot without excessive scrolling. Reduce oversized spacing, but don't crowd elements. Make sure images are optimized to fit the narrow width and that forms are simple, with labels that remain readable on small screens. Test sticky elements like nav bars to confirm they don't obstruct content. Keep animations subtle to preserve performance. Congratulations. You've used Webflow's device views to dial in tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait, creating a responsive experience that feels intentional on every screen.